Alright, welcome fellow knife enthusiasts to the channel. Another video on, you guessed it, another knife. This time it's the CSGO Rainbow Karambit knife. As you can see, it's a Karambit knife, but the blade has a rainbow design? That's what you call it? Reckon so, right? I haven't really played CSGO much, so can't really say if it handles the same way. Kidding. It's it's a nice knife. It's the length overall 7.5 inches, but it is curved obviously because it's a Karambit. The blade length 3 inches. Some places you can buy it from have it blunt, some have it sharp. Mine is sharp, but it's not like bone cutting sharp. It's just, cut some paper, I guess, probably. The spine on it obviously not sharp because it's a Karambit, but the actual inside, what is that? The concave of the blade is sharp. The pointy part, the tip of the knife, very sharp. That is like Raptor's claw from Jurassic Park. So very good quality knife. It looks really nice. Mine is a rainbow one, but as you can see, it's kind of like, I don't know how to really. I mean, yeah, it's got a bunch of different colours on it, but it looks more like just a nice design. I wouldn't really call it rainbow, but it is a rainbow one, I'm pretty sure. It's been years. I've had it for years, so I don't really quite remember exactly what it was called. I got it from a site called Elemental Knives, which I think are based in Germany, maybe, I don't know. They're based in the EU somewhere, and I've went to look up on the site to get the pricing for it and whatnot, but they don't sell it anymore, and they don't sell anything to the UK right now because of Brexit. I'm guessing because they're based in the EU, they can't do that right now for whatever reason. I don't know. Thing for another video. It has a sheath, it's an ABS plastic sheath. Fits very nicely. It clips in, so when you slide the blade into it, there's a little bit that just clips in. You can hear it there. You'll be seeing it on the screen just now, but it'll be desynced because I'm not doing it at the exact same time. So yeah, it's obviously a very safe way to carry it if you're carrying it around. It has a little carry hole where you can put like a bit of wire through or something if you want to carry it on a belt. Although you'd be carrying it upside down and by the sheath, so I wouldn't really recommend that. I'd probably just keep it through the finger loop at the top here, as you can see. It's got a nice ergonomic design. I love that word. Staple of this channel. But yeah, has a nice ergonomic design for the handle when you're holding it. Nice little finger divots, and then the thumb. If you're holding it with your index finger, point finger, whatever it is, index finger, yeah, through the loop, and then the other 3 fingers just on the actual divots in the handle, your thumb sits nicely in the groove at the top of the handle to hold it steadily and securely. You can do the cool spinny things with it. I don't think I'll be doing that on camera because I don't really have enough room to do that right now. But yeah, overall, like, it's really just a display piece. I mean, I don't have a display thing for it yet. I was going to say display port. Well, I don't have a display case for it yet, but one day I'm going to get another shelf, and all my shelves, or all my knives, I'm going to put on my shelf. When I got it, I think it was like, it was between 25 and 40 pounds. Right now you can get it for about 30 on different sites, but again, they're not UK sites, so as far as I know, you can't really buy this in the UK right now. There are other sites that sell it, but again, it's like American and other European sites. Repeat myself, love it. Yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. I would record some CSGO gameplay with the knife, but I don't have the knife because I don't play CSGO, so no point in that. Yeah, if you like the looks of the knife, or thinking of getting it, I'd say get it. Yeah, sure, why not? I wouldn't pay more than 30 quid for it. That's my phone. I wouldn't pay more than 30 quid for it, because yeah, it's a really nice knife, really well designed and everything, but I don't know, it's kind of, if you're a CSGO fan, then yeah, I can see why you pay 30 quid for it, because it's a pretty good item to have. But there are better knives than CSGO that I would rather have, like the butterfly knives and whatnot, which are also legal in this country. But yeah, hope this video helped. Hope you found it interesting. Hope you found it informative for the Karambit. And if you did, then hit the like button, like the video, subscribe for more knife related content in games and in real life. Real knife, haha, tying it all in. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video of knives. Goodbye.